All right, as always, this is not financial advice. So what we're looking at right now is OMI on the 4-hour. And what I was just explaining was you have resistance twice already on your 4-hour. You came back to check your 20-day, which is right here. Let me open this up soon so y'all can see that. There we go. All right, so here's your resistance. You did not have a body closing above this line here. So you came back, checked your 20, you got your double bottom right here. 1, 2, continue with the move. So
yeah,
now,
look at the 1 hour. Go down further.
Hold on, let me see. 1 hour. Now see, but on the 1 hour, you still got room to move, but it's still at that resistance. You see what I'm saying?
Oh, that would be my first target. If I was to get in right now, that would be
Oh,
my
yeah.
first
Oh,
target.
absolutely. So your first target, you would be on a perp.
What's that? That's
Depending upon how much leverage they'll let you do on 5 or 10x. On a 5x, you're looking at about what, almost 10%. On a 10x, you're looking at 27.6%. So that's pretty decent little gain if it's on a 10x. So I would take a look at that on a Syndex.
That's a 1 hour day trade.
Hey, that's beautiful right there. I most definitely would take that. 2% beat the ass off of anything, for real. Yeah, but that's most definitely where I would take my profit at about, let me pull this down, Sean, too. Because you had your resistance.
It's at 83.56.
83, I readjusted it, 83.62. Yeah, 83.62 is where I'll be taking my profit if I was to jump into a trade right now, because you most definitely got the bullish momentum on your side. Now, look for this to get broke and close above this line. If you could break that and start opening and closing above that line, and that will be your new level of support.
Yep.
Yeah, on your 4-hour, you look at it too. Most definitely where that line of resistance is right there. Let's go back to a daily.
Wait, what's the top of that other 4 hour candle? I meant to ask you that before I told you about the hour because I was looking at it on the hour.
This 4-hour candle right here. This one?
No. Yeah, the one next to it. What's the top of that?
The top of that is where you got your support at, right there.
That's 82.0.
80.07. So that would be my stop loss if I was to get in on this right now. Let's see. Long position. Boom. Now on your long position, let's say take profit is here, but I don't want to play with that much risk. I want to keep it very minimal.
Well, I got in at 5 this morning, so I'm already.
Oh, well,
yeah. I got in on a hammer,
yeah.
So I'm already up. I didn't want to tell you that, but
okay. If you got in at 5 o'clock this morning, then you good. Yeah, shit, we ain't even got to look at that.
No, I wanted to more to tell you about the project Ami with Vivi, so that's probably why it's a little bit bullish. So yeah. I was just day trading it real quick.
Oh, okay.
I can make some, yeah.
For sure. Let me see. I like that. That looks pretty damn good right there. I was just looking at, let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping a little bit. And let's take a look at the daily. Now, on your daily, you are at the top of your RSI. You could still go higher, but you're right at that resistance or that sell that usually happens from the RSI. But you have support here. at $54,660. Is now trading at 56,727, 715. I was looking at area of resistance at 57. Let me see. Let's turn the fib on. Let me run it from the body. I'm not gonna run it from the wick. I'm gonna run it to the body. Really? Your next area to take profit, if we running this on the fib, is actually 60,000.
Yep, I got
211.
59.5. Yeah. So we had the
59.5.
same number.
Oh, the A.
Same
Close
number.
enough.
I like that. Yeah.
Hey, close enough, bro. I ain't mad at you. Let me see if I run it from the wick. You run it from the wick. See what we get. You run it from the wick, you got 61. But I don't like wicks. Wicks are just probabilities. I like body closings. So yeah, 60,211. I can see that happening because we created another floor right here on your daily. So you got 1, 2, and then you got this open. Hopefully you can maintain that level and close above this. If you can close above this, then most definitely I would look for $60,211 to get hit, which would be, if you was to get into this trade right now, another 6.30%. That would be 6.30 on Qcoin. That would be what, 30%? Yep. Yeah. That'll be 30%.
Yeah.
On a perpetual future, because this had a 5x. Yeah, 30%. I most definitely would take that trade. I would make my stop loss be right here though. My stop loss would be 54,660 if the body closes below this. So stop loss 54,660 with a body closing up under this. Not a wick, because you can get these wicks. The wicks will cook you. That's the funny part. So somebody probably got in this yesterday and got stopped out real quick. Like, you know what? Let me hit that stop loss right quick. So if you got in here and you was like, yeah, we got position, and all of a sudden it did one of these, you would have got scared. You would have been terrified. Like, dude, it just dropped 7%. That was just a wick. That was just a wick. You have to wait for confirmation. Always wait for confirmation. So that was the stop out right quick. I hope nobody sold off. Hopefully you held, and now your hold is paying off. And now it looks like we're going to hit $60,000. I actually want to close above this wick right here. I want to close above this wick. Let me pull that down some. Right there. Perfect. What is that wick? 56,552. 56,552. Where is that at? Where do we have support and resistance on that wick? Right there. Bam. Perfect. Let me make sure that's the one I just created. Yes, it is. All right. So we got support back here. It held as support right here, and then it also played as resistance right here. Support, resistance, support, then came the sell-off. So when you're reading these charts, make sure you read them from right to left so you can go back and take a look at what areas were previous support and resistance. That'll give you a telltale indication of where we are going as far as price. So now, if this line that I just created right here, which was once previous resistance and or support, if we close above that, then most definitely I would be looking for 60,000 to get hit. Let's take a look at Ethereum. I'm gonna turn all of this off. I got so much going on Ethereum. It's crazy. All right. So let's run it from the body. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's turn these wicks off. Turn the wicks off. Bam. Okay. Gives us a little bit clearer of a picture. So you are getting weak on your daily though, on your MACD. But your RSI is showing bullish. And that is actually, where is that? 53. Are we past 55? Yep, we are. So actually, we still are, even though you're getting weaker on your MACD, we are still strong on the RSI. Now, what I will say is this right here is resistance. It is only resistance because it was previous resistance back here, right there. Currently, we are facing that. So if we could break this and close above it, then your next level of resistance is going to be at 36.97. We are currently trading at 35.84. So break this, close above it, get the close at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, then look for the next move up. So right now, this is the resistance. I wouldn't be buying this. If I was doing a trade, I will wait until we get that support above that line. So from that line that we have as support, or hopefully acts as support, next level of resistance, 3.13%. So looking at about 15% gain on Ethereum on a trade. But like I said, look for that line to hold as support. Wait for that candle to close. Let's take a look at a 4 hour. On the 4 hour, you got something different. It's still resistance here. Support here. Support here. Yep. Yep. Take a look at your 4 hour. So on your 4 hour, that's still the resistance. Wait for that to get broken. If we could start opening and closing on a 4 hour or above that, then I most definitely will be looking into getting into a trade. Only on the 4 hour though. On a 1 hour, it's probably a little shaky. See, on your 1 hour, you're still getting weaker. But your RSI is still pointing bullish. So yeah, this line right here is definitely the breaking point. Definitely the breaking point. So open and close above that line. Open and close above that line. That will give us that push that we need to get to the next level of resistance. So that line is at 35.85. We currently are trading at 35.87. Got to close above that line. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Let's take a look at a daily. Oh yeah, we're still doing good. Dennis was trying to get me to sell this the other night when we was watching the fight, bro.
I know he tried to get. He always tries to do that.
He's trying to get me to sell it. He's like, Chris, you sell that, get a lower entry. I'm like, man, what?
You know how much I'm up already?
For real. Like I got in at $163, bro. This thing is $180. I'm not tripping. Now, check this out. I want y'all to see this.
I think people don't really understand. Like, it's almost like in stocks for real. Because if Litecoin is high is 236 and it's trading at 130, 140, that is like damn near half, 50% off. That means it's on sale.
Hey, let me tell you
that
something.
Means it's on sale.
Hey, I'm no kidding, bro. This is a damn good entry right now because you got all of your moving averages together. Do you see though when they group up like that? Oh my God. When they group up like this,
yeah.
Oh, that is a slingshot. So anything below, if you were to get into this trade right now, anything that's closing below $169, and I wouldn't even say 169. I would say 100 and right about here, 166. I set a stop loss at 166. So I'm willing to risk how much to the downside? How much would I be willing to risk right here? Oh yeah, what? Man, I'm gonna eat that. So you have a 7.43% to the downside risk for, oh my God. How much gain? See how much gain we have. First level of resistance, 18%. Second level of resistance, 37%. And the final level, 55%, bro. So I'm taking profit. I'm taking profit here at 280. 280 is my take profit. That's $100 for every Litecoin that you can trade. How much capital would I need to make a trade on KuCoin? And KuCoin has 10x leverage. So how much capital would I need to make that trade? I think I need $18, 19 bucks. I would say 20, just to be on the safe side. So you can do $20 and trade a whole Litecoin. Bro, this is cheating.
Or you got 100, what do you say, $20 for one Litecoin?
Yeah, 20 bucks for one Litecoin.
Math is crazy. You could do 5 Litecoins for $100.
Right, 5 Litecoin for $100 and take profit at 280. Take profit at 280 and make $500 off of $100.
Not bad.
That's not bad at all. I'll take that bet. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna take that bet. Thanks, bro.
Wait, don't thank me. Thank you.
Let's take a look at EOS, man. I like EOS. I really do. I really do like EOS. Where we at? Right there. And then
EOS, is that the one? Is that wax? Isn't that wax?
Yeah. EOS is like the main platform for wax. Right now, let's take a look. What is we on? We're on a daily. What I don't like is this RSI. This is what I don't like, because we're trending down. That's what I don't like. Boom. That is somewhat of a downtrend. No, that's a clear downtrend. Let me see. Yeah, because you got a high, and you got a lower high, and another lower high, and another lower high. I need EOS to get back above this moving average right here. Let me open this up. I need EOS to get back above $4.75. I need EOS to get back above $4.75, and then I could actually see EOS pick back up and take back off, but not until. So if it doesn't get back above this in a week, let me see what a week looks like. Yeah, because you're below. You are trading on your 50-day. Let me move this. Let's take a look. Let me get rid of all this. Hold on. Let me start fresh. Okay. Yeah, pull this down, pull that down, pull this down. I wonder if I want to do a swing low too. I think I want to do that instead. Let's do a swing low. Swing low to a swing high. Give me a better picture. There we go. There we go. That's a much better picture. Make sure it's on top of that red candle. So that was the high. Okay, perfect. All right, so you had a full 786 retracement. You are now trading on your 50-day, on your weekly. You are not bullish just yet. Although you are trading on the side of caution, you are either bullish or bearish. It's like right in the middle. But me personally, I would dollar cost average just based off of what I'm seeing here, because you have a low of 203, and then, you know, your higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So you're trending up. And on the weekly, that would be hitting bullish divergence, truthfully. Starting from here and then just going here. So 384, yeah, you're still trending up here too. Yeah, that's the trend. That's what I was looking for. Right there. Yeah, look to hold that trend. If you can't hold that trend, you're going to hold this trend. You can't hold that trend, then it's completely invalidated, but I don't like to play with too much risk. So look for this trend to hold. So to the downside on EOS, let's take a look. Yeah, if you break, it's 9.25%. So if you break your 100-day, which is right at 419, we are currently trading at 462. So I would set a stop loss if this was a trade. I would set my stop loss at 419. But you want to make sure that it is a close. If it wicks down, then just let it wick down. Don't worry about the wicks, because we're looking at this on a weekly. So it has to be a body close below your 100-day. But you're currently, you have confirmation on your weekly on your 50-day. Look at this. Got 2 confirmations. 1, 2. So you might get that push back to here, but we need to break and close above this 20-day to actually start seeing that move to the upside. So this will be something to watch. This will definitely be something to watch. I'm gonna keep that right there. Let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash still is same thing. It's almost the exact same as EOS. Almost the exact same. This is what I'm looking for out of Bitcoin Cash. First level of resistance is 11.18%. Second level is 40%. Third level is 64.56%. And last level is at 87.77%. I'm definitely dollar cost average. If we can get and break above this 20-day right here, which comes in at, where we at? Right there. 612. We are currently trading at 603. If we can open and close or break above and close above that, then you will start to see these price actions get hit right here. Well, actually, let me do this because that was on a daily, I think. Let me see. Yep, that's on a daily. So if you take a look, your RSI and your MACD is getting kind of weak, but not too weak. But your RSI is bullish. That is hidden bullish divergence right here. And you have a entry. Entry should have been here, but you're bouncing off your 50 on your RSI. So, and all of your moving averages are actually starting to group together, like that slingshot I was talking about. Keep your eye on that as well. So from here to there, and then from, let me readjust this.
Yes, sir. You are right on the money about Bitcoin Cash.
Hey, this thing, man, the charts, it tells you. It is no other way to take a look at it. People can say all they want to. I'd like to judge projects based off of what price action says. Right there, bam. Is that on the money? Yes, it is. Next one. A little lower. And then people don't even talk about Bitcoin Cash. Yeah. Whew. Okay, that's a much better picture. So, yep. And then let me make sure. Yep, we on the money. Yep, we good. So 13.20, 43.17, 67.02, and then last but not least, 91.39%. I wonder, hold on. ECH. Bitcoin Cash Bull is 2 cents. Yo. Hold on. Wait a minute. Am I on or under? I'm on. Okay. So from here to here, 90%. from here to here. Yeah, I think I might dollar cost average on Bitcoin Cash Bull. Because man,
said it's FTX's 2 cents.
Yeah, that's it on FTX.
Sheesh.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Hold on. Let me make sure I got this right. Yeah. 1,276%. So if you were to put, let's say $100. Let's say $100 on Bitcoin Cash Bull. Times 1,276%. So $100 on Bitcoin Cash Bull will have you at, if that goes to 37 cents, you will have $1,276. So for every $100, $1,276, I will put probably about $200, maybe $300 on this, maybe even $4, depending on your level of comfort. I'm gonna just say $5 because that's what I'm willing to risk. So $500 times 1,276%. Go back. 200. Come on, man. What I can do. Yeah, $500 and net you $6,380. Nice. That's just me though. That's what I would do. This is not financial advice. Do not take this as such. Please. That's just my level of comfort, what I would do. Where's the next resistance? God, dog. Okay, so one more. Jeez. Do y'all see that? I just need to make sure y'all see that. Anybody else besides me see that?
Yeah, I see.
I just wanted to make sure I don't like to lose people. Then that's ridiculous. And that's only at $2.56. It's 3 cents right now.
What's that? Them bull? That's them bull talk. Oh yeah, that's that bull.
Mm-hmm. Dude.
I gotta figure out how to get on FTX, man.
Oh my God. What? It's been higher? Hold on. Where the hell did Bitcoin Cash Bull come from?
That's high.
Bitcoin Cash is like on like super sale. It's on layaway. Like
bro.
Bitcoin Cash is high as 1640, bro. Oh 1640. It's $600 right now. That's a whole $1,000. Like that's a layaway.
Yeah,
that's the corner store dollar drink.
I'm trying to make sure. Hold on, bro. Make sure I got my my shit right. Hold on, because that's ridiculous. Make sure I get it from the proper price action. Hold on. I need to be
look at it on the 1 hour. It just went up like $8.
Look, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, bro. That thing is gonna hit. So, Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin Cash Bull, take your pick. I'm gonna go back to KNC. I like KNC. My stop loss got hit though, so now I got to readjust. It's still playing on the same trade though. And all you got to do is get above your 200 day. You get back above $1.82. I'm gonna just go to say $1.83. Get back above $1.83. It's on and popping. Get back above $1.83. All right. No, go back. Right there. Yeah. Get back above $1.83. It's on. Our dollar cost average. Going back to the 618 minimal. %54.38%. Is KNC on KuCoin? On leverage?
I don't know. I'll look real quick. Hold on. You know, I always got my KuCoin open. You say, what is it?
KNC.
Yes, it. No, it's not. KNC ETH, KNC Bitcoin.
Damn.
Hold on. I thought I just saw it though.
It's all good. I wonder if they got it on perp?
They have it on KuCoin, it's just not on margin.
Okay. I wonder if they got it on perpetual futures. Hold on. Let me take a look.
Nah, I think only Binance does.
Futures. How do I search?
Yep, they got KNC Bitcoin and KNC Ethereum on KuCoin.
Okay, no worries. That's all good. Damn, that would have been a nice little pickup though. If I can get this on margin, I most definitely would have took this trade. All right, let's take a look at Chainlink.
Shoot, I'm over here. I'm glad you was pulling up charts, man. I'm over here looking for my trades for the day. It's morning time.
Mm-hmm.
I was just in coach's call, seeing you was online. Like, word.
Oh, okay. What he doing the morning mindset?
Yeah, you know, every Monday.
I had meant to jump on. I had forgotten who he is.
I be missing him. And this morning I got woken up early, so I caught him.
Oh, okay. That's what's up. Let me see. Make sure. Okay, perfect. Oh, look at that. That was my level of resistance right there. So now we are breaking that. So now pull that up, open this up. Yep. If we can get back above right there, 20-day moving average. I want to say get back above here. 26.34, we're at 25.99. No, we're at 26.24. So actually we're right at resistance. What is this on a daily? If we can get back above, start opening and closing above this level right here. 26, I would say 26.31. Yeah, 26.31. We get back above 26.31 on the daily, open and close, then most definitely could see higher price action out of Chainlink. Let's see where we are as far as trade goes. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. 8.31. $26.17. 43.20, 43.61. 43.61. Let me make sure I put all of that into perspective. Where is my shit? There we go. Price range. Let me turn that off for a second. Hold on. So I want to move the screen. Open my screen up, son, so I can get all of my price action. Put that back. Thank you. All right, so price range. Let's go from here. Where are we at? Bam. 8.72. $25, 70, 17. Yeah. $43.61. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. I would take that. So, boom. Let's take a look at Algorand. I like Algorand. I like Algorand. If I'm doing from a swing low, swing high to a swing low, let me turn all of this off first. Hold on. Turn all that off. That's kind of confusing. Let's go from a swing low to a swing high first. So you got support from your 382. You ran down to your, I wonder if I turn the wicks on, will it show a 618? Let me see. Let's see if it ran to a 618. Nope, you got your support from your half. You got support from the half. You held support at $1.53. You're now trading at $1.78. This is on a daily candle. You need to get back above the 20-day moving average. You need to get back above $1.83 and hold above $1.83. If you cannot hold above $1.83, it was previous resistance back here. It was once support here and here. So that's going to play as resistance right there. Don't break that, then you're going to start to come back down, possibly test these areas. I'm going to keep this up. And actually, I wonder if I run it from the wick, because I'm running it from the body right now. Let's run it from the wick. See if we got a 618 out of a wick. Nope, we didn't. And actually, if I run it from the wicks, you're getting rejected by your 382. I think I'm gonna leave that.
You showing off.
Wow. Man, that's crazy.
You showing off again.
Hey. I only do what the charts say, man. I don't do anything else.
On all truthfulness, after Saturday night, bro, I'm gonna catch every time you pull up the chart.
Hey.
But that right there, that was a flex of your skills, bro.
Hey, I told you, bro. I only look at strategy. I'll never choose size. I always choose strategy over everything.
But you broke that down like a chart, yo.
Yeah.
And called it. As soon as you came in, it was like I'm looking. As soon as you came in, you looked and you called it. You asked for the factors, and then you called it. And I'm like, nah.
It's crazy, bro. That's just how
I was like, nah, because I seen it after when you was calling it out. I was seeing what you were saying, just like the charts. And I'm like, yo, he is absolutely right.
And I wasn't even at first. I wasn't even looking at it like that, bro. And I was like, damn, because I had some family come over. You know what I'm saying? So I had to dip out from the fight for a second, and I came back in. I caught it right on time, bro. And as I was looking at it, I say, he keep leaning on dude. And then I think it was either you or Fro that had mentioned bro was like 290 pounds.
Yeah.
So when you said that, I say, he gonna outweigh dude. I say,
and dude said it. dude said it after the fight, like yesterday. He did an interview and he was like, dude, he was like, my best wasn't good enough. He said, dude came in and leaned on me and wore me down.
Strategy. You cannot carry 290 pounds for all of those rounds, bro. You can't. You cannot. He should have had now what he should have been doing, because he was getting in shape. And as he was getting in shape, old boy was just gaining weight. He could still eat a punch.
Yeah.
We already seen that from the first fight. So he could eat a punch. He put on more weight. What they should have been looking at was, if he was putting on more weight, they should have had him training with a heavy fighter.
Yup. And step up leg day. Because he looked like he always skipped leg day.
Because his upper body strength is good. Upper body strength is mad impressive, but he could not hold that weight.
Or if you were the counter, you don't let him touch. You make that motherfucker dance. You make that motherfucker dance for 12 rounds.
He could have done that.
I know, but he could.
Old boy is not a boxer. He a brawler. He a one-hitter quitter.
Yeah.
He not a boxer.
In and out. He could have took from the Cuban Flash.
Yeah, he could have.
He could have.
But
if he took Cuban Flag's approach, he would have won.
Listen. He could have, but his pride never lets him.
Exactly. He always feel like I could knock you out.
Yeah. He always
that boy was wobbling for like 6 rounds.
Yeah, bro. He was doing the shimmy through the whole fight.
Yeah, he was, bro. Damn, man. It's all good.
But bro, that when you came in and you broke that down real quick, I'm like, yo, this dude's technical analysis is unparalleled right now. That's why I was like, yo, we don't come on Bankroll with the TA, because that's what I've seen it as. Like, yo, he just broke this whole thing down like a chart. I was over here with Hopium, hoping you was wrong, bro.
Yeah, nah, man. You can't be, man. When you look at stuff, when you look at certain things, bro, you gotta trade what you see. Yeah. You have to trade what you see. If you don't see it, if it's not there, then it's not there. You like say for instance, right now we looking at Algorand, right? And you know you getting rejected by the 382. Why would you even try to trade this? And you know you getting rejected, not only from your 382, but from your 20-day.
Because pride. Yeah, people thinking I'm a good trader. I could do it.
Yeah. Okay, you go ahead. Quick trade.
I look at what's there. Like what I did was I got up in the middle of the night and I pulled up my charts because I wanted to see what everything was looking like. And my moving averages was on a down slope. I turned everything off and I looked at the chart naked and it was on a down slope. I looked at 4 things that I usually trade and everything was on a down slope. And I'm like, if I wanted to sit here, I could probably scalp on 15-minute candles, but I don't want to sit staring at charts all day. So a couple of things I'm waiting for them to break their resistance, and a couple other things I'm just waiting for them to stop their downtrend. I'm like, I need something to trade though.
Absolutely.
They aggravated me though, because I'm like, I need something to trade. I'm in a waiting game. I hate being in a waiting game.
Yeah, it's all good though, bro. You just, you know what I'm saying? You find good entries, you look at your risk, you assess your risk, and you take your trade, bro. You got to have 3 things when you're trading. You got to have a take profit, you got to have stop loss, and you got to have entry. Got to have those 3 things. Soon as you hit your entry, you should automatically know, where's my stop loss going to be.
Right. I do that. I just hate the fact on KuCoin you can't put a take profit and a stop loss. You can only set one or the other.
Well, then that's when you set an alert. When you set that alert on your phone, and if it hits your price action, just go ahead, jump into your account, and then turn off your stop loss, and then turn on the take profit.
Okay.
Set your alerts, because when I'm looking at a price action and I see like we just did with Litecoin or Chainlink right here. Let me pull this back up. So My stop loss, I know my stop loss is going to be right here, right up under that 200 day, right there. So 25.11, Chainlink is trading at 26.20. So I'm gonna put a thing right there. And my stop loss on this trade, I'm only gonna lose or what I'm willing to risk is right there, 4%. I only lost 4% of my total trade. Cool. Hit my stop loss or any type of body close up under that. You got to get a body close because it could wick all day long. You could let it wick, but you want that confirmation of the close. So if you get a daily candle that closes below your 200 day, let me open this up so you can see that. You get a daily candle that closes below that 200 day, that blue line right there, then go ahead, take your stop loss. Boom, you got stopped out. Now when you out the game, you look for another entry.
Okay, so what if you're looking for it for a day trade?
Now, if you're looking for it for a day trade, then you're probably gonna go to like a 15 or 30-minute candle. So like right now,
I wouldn't trade that.
Nope, I wouldn't trade that because I'm under all my major moving averages.
Right, and that's what a lot of the things I've been looking to trade when I pop on my chart, they're all under everything, and I'm like, I'm not messing with you.
Now,
I'm just looking for a day trade.
Now, what I will say though is, on a 15-minute, on the RSI is looking bullish.
Yeah.
You had a nice little pop, but I would not enter until I get about right
over the 50.
Hold on. Right about here.
Right.
Maybe even here.
Because if it's there on the RSI, it's most likely
right there. I would not enter until it gets right here. That would be my entry. Because look, that was your resistance and support.
Got you.
So I wouldn't get into an entry on Chainlink until it breaks and closes above this line right here.
All right, let me run something by you. You see how you got your RSI pulled up right here, right? I go and I pull it up like that, and where you got your resistance and your support spots at, I lower my RSI and look at what the price point was at each one of those spots.
That because it follows that price action. So look, here is your resistance. I put my alert here. So here's your resistance. This is your resistance right here. You did not get a body close above that line. Now, remember, we just talked about that line. We just talked about it. I said that would be my entry only on a daily, though. We're looking at a 15-minute. I said a daily because that was once support and resistance.
Right.
So if you break it down to back down to a 15-minute, break it back down to a 15-minute right here. Here's your resistance. Go back. Where's my support? Here.
What's that, your 100-day?
Yep, that's my 100-day. So actually, still looking at this, I would not get in until I break and close above 26.57 on Chainlink.
Okay.
Because it was support there and it was resistance there. So I want to get support again. I want to get support again. So my entry will be right here. Boom. But on your 15-minute, you looking good, bro. You're looking damn good. You're looking damn good on your 15-minute. That thing is coming in sharp on the MACD. See that?
Yep.
15, that thing coming in super sharp. So, and then
I could hop in now and get like 1 or 2%.
You could. Let me see. But you still got resistance though here.
Yep.
So it wouldn't even be a percentage. It would be like half a percent. You don't want to rock with that. You want to make sure that it gets above that resistance.
What's that? What you got? 26.57?
Yep, 26.57.
You know what? I'm gonna put an alert on my trading view for that because I trade Chainlink.
I would do 26.57, set an alert, and see what happens after the alert. Watch it after alert gets hit. If it doesn't never get hit, then you know it wouldn't have been a good trade to begin with, because you was thinking about hopping in and it was going to hit all of this resistance. It was going boom, boom, boom. And it probably wouldn't have never even hit this price action. But if it does, then that lets you know that higher time frames are going to be in your favor.
Right.
Because if you're looking at this now, right now, look, you got a low, higher low, higher low. Now on your 20 day is now coinciding right here where we put that first initial resistance. The second resistance was right here, which is actually above your 100 and your 50. I can go over this thing all day long, bro.
Man, listen, whenever you in here busting charts, that's what I'm gonna be in here, because I can, I be seeing shit, and you know, sometimes I pull the trigger and it'd be a good thing, and sometimes I hesitate and I miss a trade.
Now look,
if I miss the trade, I just be like, you know, the market ain't going nowhere. And I try not to beat myself up. But a couple of times, you know, I done got in the trade, watched it go up and thought it was going to keep going, and that shit dropped.
Now look, check this out. Check this out, bro. You ain't even make it to your 55 on this one. See, because if you would have got in here, you would have been like, yeah, I'm in a good trade. And then all of a sudden, it would have hit that resistance, boom, and it would have took you out.
Yeah, because it's pointing back down now. It was pointing upwards when we was just in here.
That's what I'm saying. So you want to make sure that you get to that support.
Right.
Here's support. You got support back here, and you got support right here. So that lets you know that that is a very good level of support. So go ahead, take your trade above that line.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I put the alert in. I put the alert in. So good. If it hits it,
good.
If it hits it, I'm gonna watch it, see what it does.
Yep, see what it does. See what it's gonna do. And if
do you use the screener?
Yep.
You use the
screener. You want to make sure. You want to make sure that you got what's the word I was about to use? Shit. Confirmation is what I would say. Make sure you got the confirmation. Don't just trade it because it moved. Make sure you got make sure that you have the closing and then an opening above that resistance.
Right. But let me ask you a question. Am I seeing the head and shoulders forming right there?
Hey, I thought I was seeing that too. Hold on. Yeah, I believe it is. Hold on. Shit, it just might be.
And if so, then that might be the next shoulder about to form, which means it's gonna drop some more.
Yeah. See what I'm saying? Look, got that pressure. Now, if we was on a 15-minute, you like, yeah, Bankroll, I'm gonna jump into that. Look, there go your resistance. Boom. But you have created a floor here. You did create the floor.
A little bit. Now, see, that's been my problem, right, Bankroll? I've been doing just what I just said. Yo, I could get in there right there and get a quick 1-2%. And get in and lose 4%. Like, yo, what happened?
You got to get above a certain level, because you can't jump into a trade and you got all these levels of resistance. Can't do that. Right. It don't work that way. You got to get above the levels of resistance. You want to rise above all of this. All of this right here is your enemy. You got to wait until you get past the enemy, and then you can go ahead and take your trade. So on a 15-minute, most definitely 26.57.
I dig it. I dig it. Now, while we here on the charts, have you looked at Litecoin?
Oh, I already looked at Litecoin earlier, bro. We recorded this.
Okay, so it's above everything right now. But it came back down. It's coming back down to my 7-day.
Let me see. Oh yeah, you got to retest.
Yeah,
you got to retest. That's all. You got, anytime you have a breakout, you got to have a retest. When you come back, you check a certain area, which is right here. Boom. You check that, come back, continue with the move. Now, you break this and you close below this, then you're going to have a problem in your hands. That means more downside is coming. But on your MACD, you looking positive, bro. You looking positive, and that's just on the 15-minute.
I'm just gonna wait and see where that candle close.
You got another 3 minutes and 20 minutes, 3 minutes and 20 seconds for that candle to close. And I don't see it closing below this, to be honest, right here.
Oh no, I don't see it either. I just want to make sure.
Absolutely, because it was once resistance back here, meaning support back here. All of this was support.
Right.
So you read that chart from right to left, more than likely you're gonna get that support. Or you can just come back and check this. Boom. If you do close below that line, then you just come back, check this, and then continue with the move. Because you have to create higher lows. You got to create higher lows in order to get higher highs. So that's my rant. Those just a few of the coins that we was taking a look at for the day, y'all. I got to go jump on this other meeting. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man, and catch y'all on the next chart reading class, man. Appreciate y'all.
No doubt. Peace.
Peace, family.